What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock your SIM on an iPhone with a PIN. A SIM PIN adds an extra layer of security to your SIM card, requiring a PIN whenever your phone restarts or the SIM is inserted into a new device. To set this up, you first need to know your carrier's default SIM PIN. Open up Safari and search for your carrier's name followed by default SIM PIN. For example, if you use AT&T, Verizon, EE or any other carrier, look up the default PIN. Common defaults include 4x0, 4x1 or 1234, but yours might be different, so be sure to verify it. Once you have the default PIN, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Mobile Service. If you have multiple SIMs activated on your iPhone, select your phone number first. Otherwise, you will see a SIM PIN option directly on the Mobile Service page. Tap SIM PIN, then toggle it on. Enter the default PIN you found earlier and then tap Done. And that's it. Your SIM is now locked with a PIN. Every time you restart your iPhone or move the SIM to another device, you will need to enter this PIN to unlock it. Be careful. If you enter the wrong PIN 3 times, your SIM will be locked, and you may need to contact your carrier for a PUC or personal unlocking key or even to get a new SIM. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.